Hello, welcome us on Crypto Channel. We are going on in crypto. Avalanche token is one of the best crypto to invest in at the moment, especially for long-term investors. Avalanche has shown that its value can rise during difficult time and recover. Crypto experts predicting for Avalanche, ABX, Aptos, APT, and TMS networks. TMS and here's what you need to know to 10x your investment in this news while sharing an important invest topic. This is very exciting news. Despite the crisis in the banking sector, which was expected to have an effect on the digital currency industry, Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies market prices continue to surge in 2023 with positive ambience in the crypto community as the market experiences upward momentum. Industry experts and analysts have predicated a rise for cryptocurrencies like Avalanche, Aptos, and TMS networks. In view of that, it is important to invest in this token in order not to miss out in the next 10x runs. Avalanche is a rapid blockchain that enables developers to create, run, and manage decentralized finance applications. The platform utilizes a native digital currency known as Avalanche in often compared to Ethereum due to its proof of stake consensus mentions and innovative crypto capabilities. Going by projections, Avalanche can climb significantly going forward. The website challengingly below predicate based on technical analysis. That's the price range of Avalanche will search between $21.73 and $25.65 from its current market price of $17. Aptos is a blockchain platform that utilizes the proof of stakes POS mechanisms and a modern programming language called Merv. The Aptos APT platform and token has caught the attentions of many investors this year due to its especially strong performance among digital assets. As the world continues to embrace decentralization, Aptos has provided an open market. The platform has a decentralized marketplace that allows users to engage in direct trading. This unique focus on decentralization has made Aptos a preferred choice for many investors. With this, Aptos is among the top-notch cryptos to expect crazy return from at the moment. Indeed, no surprises that investors, traders, and speculators are putting money on it. TMS network, cutting-edge DEX which run on the Ethereum network, offers to use friendly trading platform from traders on the lookout for a secure and trustworthy environment to trade various asset classes including commodities, cryptocurrencies. One of the unique features of TMS network is that it is built on the Ethereum blockchain. TMS network eliminates the need of for the centralized middleman. The platform enables traders to take control of their assets and trade with complete autonomy. This novel initiative by TMS network has led to an overwhelming interest from investors during its pre-sale. Selling out its pre-sale phase 1 indicates that TMS networks TMS is the first to be recognized with an analysis predict that the token's value will only continue to rise. In conclusions, while other emerging platforms like Avalanche and Optus are gaining attractions. The unique and novel solutions the TMS offers has made it stand out from the rest. The TMS networks token can only head up from here as we expect more traders and investors to choose TMS networks as their preferred decentralized exchange, making it a sure investment opportunity for those looking to 10x their portfolio. With this, there is no need to wait around. The TMS networks now at the second phase of its pre-sale is now exchanging hands at $0.038, having acquired over $2.5 billion in public and private sales already. It's only a matter of time until the second phase ends. It's important to get before it's too late. Thanks for watching. I hope you will like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, Crypto Chain. See you in the next video. Thank you.